Question 12 is 3 marks. The question says, the straight line L has this equation, 2y equals 3x minus 7. Find an equation of the straight line perpendicular to L that passes through 6 and negative 5. Let me just write this point here and then I will zoom in. So 6 and negative 5. Now let's zoom in to make it easier to read. Now we have this equation of this line. We need to find the equation of perpendicular line. The first thing is we need to write the equation in y equal mx plus c. You need to make it look like this. Do you know how to do that? So it's 2y equal 3x minus 7, right? To make it y equal mx plus c, just divide by 2. That's very good. This is cancelled. So you will have y equals 3 over 2 x minus 7 over 2. And that's our nice equation. We don't need this. Thank you. Bye. Now, what will we do next? The line that is perpendicular is going to have the negative reciprocal slope. Now, the slope of this line we have here is 3 over 2, right? The slope of a perpendicular line is going to be the negative reciprocal. Reciprocal is just when you flip this, so it's going to be negative 2 over 3. So we got now the slope or the gradient of this line. We know the new line, the perpendicular line equation will be y equals negative 2 over 3 x plus c, because we don't know the y-intercept of this line. So how do we find c? We have this point here, 6 and negative 5. This is the value of x and this is y, right? So just plug them. Instead of y, write minus 5 equals negative 2 over 3 x. Instead of x, write times 6 plus c. Now this is an equation in just c. We can solve it to find c, right? So minus 5 equals 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it's minus 4 plus c. 2 plus 4 plus 4, this cancels. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1 equals c. Did we get c? Yes, we did. So we don't need this. Let's erase it. C equals negative 1. Now just come back here and write your equation. So the equation is y equals negative 2 over 3 x minus 1, and that's your 3 marks for this question. Was it easy? Now, similar shapes. It's in every exam. Just try to do your best in the similar shapes. Answer as many questions as you want. Practice a lot. It's going to be in your exam, I'm telling you. All right, let's do question 13.